How to switch back to personal account on the Instagram. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily switch to your personal account. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Instagram and then you will see profile icon, click on it. And then you will see three lines on top right, click on it. And then scroll down the page and then click on setting, and you will see the options of account, click on it. And then scroll down the page and you will see switch account type, click on it. And then click on switch to personal account, and then click on switch to personal account. So in this way your account will be switched to your personal account. So guys, if this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.